We are going to simulate a network by using this Cisco Packet Tracker. In this simulation, we are going to use two switches, one router, and three PCs on each side. First of all, we're going to drag two switch. For this switch, we are making a local area network with three PCs, 1, 2, and 3. And for this switch, we are going to make another local area network with three PCs, 1, 2, and 3. For this local area network, we are going to connect through a copper straight wire. First of all, we have to click on PC, use the port, click the port, switch, and choose the port. PC, choose the port, switch, choose the port. We are going to do the same with every PC and switch connection. After connecting all the PCs and switch, we have to configure IP address for each PCs. For this PC, we are going to configure IP address. For this PC, I am going to write this 10.0.0.1 okay, .1, and we are going to change default gateway to 10.0.0.4. Now changing the IP configuration for PC2. We have made the IP address for first PC is 10.0.0.1. For this, we are going to use 0.2. Again, we are going to change the default IP address, default gateway. For this, again, we are going to change this .3, changing default gateway .4, and this local area network is ready for now. This local area network is going to change again IP address for these PCs. For this local area network, we're going to change IP address 192.168.1.1. We're going to change again default gateway .4. Again changing this PC. We have made .1 last time. Now we are going to have .2. Changing default gateway .4. For this again .3 .4. Now we have made a local area network with one switch and three PC. Another side we have made another local area network with three PCs and one switch. But to connect them, we are going to have one router. I am going to use this 2911 router to connect both of them. To have a connection, we're going to again have a copper straight wire. This is layer 1 and this is layer 1. We're going to connect this from Giga Ethernet 0 bar 1, and in this port we are going to use Giga Ethernet 0 bar 0. Going to do again this same task, Ethernet 0 bar 1, gigabit Ethernet 0 bar 1. Okay. Now we have to switch on the router. We have to click on router, configure Giga Ethernet 0 bar 1. You have to click on. We have to give a default gateway, which have we already made 0 bar 10.0.0.4. Okay, again we are going to have Giga Ethernet 0 bar 1. Switch on, putting down the default gateway .1.4. We can wait for to configure all the system, but if we don't want, just fast forward this. Okay, now we are going to switch on this. We're going to have a pinning option. Now I'm gonna pin of the same local area network with 10.0.0.2. We are getting reply, so connection is good. Now we are going to pin a system from different local area network 192.168.1.3. We have got a request timeout for first time, but then we got reply, and if we do this again, we are getting reply for the first time. Now this is for all this project. Thank you.